Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're diving into a stunning blend of classic style and modern functionality, the 2025 retro-inspired camper. At first glance, it looks like a vintage icon, but once you get up close, you'll see it's loaded with 21st century upgrades that make it perfect for today's road warriors. Let's start with the exterior. This camper features a rich cherry red paint job that brings instant nostalgia, paired with clean lines, chrome accents, and classic hubcaps. It's compact enough to navigate tight roads, but has a presence that stands out whether you're deep in the forest or parked at a scenic overlook. The vintage silhouette hides a modernized interior designed for both comfort and practicality. Now, sliding the door open reveals a surprisingly cozy and functional living space. The warm wood tones inside create an inviting atmosphere, and soft ambient lighting adds a homey glow, especially in the evenings. On one side, we have a fully equipped kitchenette that doesn't just look good, it works. You get generous storage with upper and lower cabinets, a sink with modern fixtures, and an induction cooktop that's ideal for quick meals on the go. Right beside the kitchen setup is something most campers in this class don't offer: a compact bathroom area. It includes a modern flush toilet tucked neatly behind the cabinetry, perfect for longer trips or remote camping where facilities are limited. Storage for toiletries is built right into the walls, keeping things organized without taking up valuable space. Moving toward the back, there's a versatile seating area that easily converts into a sleeping space. The cushions are thick and supportive, ideal for relaxing during the day and resting comfortably at night. Whether you're traveling solo or with a partner, this setup offers plenty of room to stretch out and unwind. What really sets the 2025 model apart is the smart integration of power and energy efficiency. It supports solar charging and comes with an upgraded battery system, making off-grid living more viable than ever. Overall, this 2025 camper combines the spirit of retro travel with the comforts of modern living. It's compact, efficient, and stylish, ideal for digital nomads, weekend wanderers, or anyone chasing the open-road lifestyle. If you're dreaming of van life without giving up the essentials, this camper might just be the one for you. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment below with your favorite camper feature, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and outdoor adventure content. Until next time, travel smart and stay wild.